Okay, guys, so today we will be looking at the tax bar. All right, you might not see my tax bar currently based on the software I'm using to do my stream recording. So quickly, that'll do it. Now quickly, we will be customizing our tax bar. I guess as we start customizing the tax bar, you guys will know and see what I'm actually doing. So quickly, we'll head over to setting. How can we head over to setting? We press the window key. This is the window key you are seeing display on your computer screen. Now we press the window key and we check for setting. We spell the word setting and you're going to find this, and then they call the setting icon with setting up and system spells on a right. Now we open it up. The next area we're going to reach out to personalization. After we open personalization, the next thing we're going to fit for the tax bar. So we click on the tax bar in the left panel. After clicking on the tax bar, the next thing here we're saying lock tax bar, which is off. We're saying automatic hard tax bar. Right now, let's take for instance, if you want your tax bar to not be permanently staying one place, you want it to be like the hiding and showing off each time you want it and hiding each time you don't want it. It's going to be in automatically hiding the tax bar right now. So let's turn it on and see what we have here. Now if you check your tax if you are doing this exercise accordingly, you will find out that your tax bar has started to go down and up. As soon as you carry the cursor to it, it's going to surface. When you remove the cursor, it's going to drop back down. Now that's another way we can customize this. And another way I want us to check on here, they say small. Now using small tax bar button, reducing the size of those things on the tax bar. Now if you check it here, you will find out that those things on the tax bar have been very small. They are reduced, the sizes are reduced, but we don't want them small because we don't want to give our eyes problem. All right, so we'll move on. Scrolling down, we have something that here that is very important I want us to look at. Now you can play around with the other radius buttons that are up there. You can turn them on, turn them off, and see their work as well. But what I want to look at here is this, what we say the location of this on the screen, right? The taskbar location on the screen. Now how can we change the taskbar location? When we come down here, we'll see this menu. We can put the taskbar at the top of the window. Now you can see my taskbar have come at the top of the window here. All right, you can put it at the left side of the window. You see my taskbar have come on the left side. You can put it at the right side of the window. My taskbar have come at the right side of the window. So now combining taskbar button, now here saying it should always be what the label should always be hidden. Now when taskbar is full, now always make sure that the label of your taskbar should always be hidden. Anything other than that is the result you are going to be experiencing. Now you see here, seeing what we have here. Now quickly we'll keep it here, and then let's just send the taskbar at the top. Quickly, let's just be at the top. Now at the top is more preferable for us, so I'm going to keep the taskbar at the top for this video. All right, so guys, basically that is just it for working with the taskbar. Now you might have seen someone computer wherein the person have use their computer and you find out that your taskbar is at the bottom and the person's taskbar is at the top or at the right or at the left, right? You should also have ideas on how this can be done as well. So guys, thank you very much for sticking around. This is our third video in this series. Please don't forget to subscribe so that we can bring you more content of such. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.